Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here. I know it's been a while. Had a lot going on, honestly, personally, professionally. A lot of changes going on about the last 6 months or so. So that's one of the reasons why I haven't uploaded anything. But I've been hard at work in many ways. I have a new residence. I've moved in with my fiance, so now I have a much larger garage, which I'm thankful for. Now, take a moment, if you will, and imagine not only moving your house, remodeling your house, and moving your garage and all your belongings at the same time. It was kind of a nightmare. I don't think I would have been able to do it without my fiance, so big shout out to her for being a trooper through that entire process. What happened was, she has her house, I have mine. So we went ahead and decided to live at her house, which I like because it has a much nicer garage. And so then we moved all my stuff out of my house and then remodeled it so that we can rent it out since I still have the mortgage on it and I don't want to sell it yet. So we're doing that. We got the remodel done. Believe, if memory serves me correctly, tenant signed a lease on it, and we'll be moving in the 1st. So I'm happy about that. That's one weight off my shoulders. Yeah, what am I sitting next to? This isn't one of my vehicles that you guys know of. It is an 09 GMC ACADIA that my fiance decided we were going to bid on. I did. I said we could. In her defense, but I didn't think that we were going to win it. It was at a $950 bid opening the auction, and so I was like, yeah, I know what happens. Like, we'll go ahead, we'll bid on it. We bid $975, and as soon as we bid $975, nothing but crickets chirping. The entire time, clock just ticking, nothing happening, nobody else bid. And so you see what I have here. The hit, I don't know what happened. The fender was damaged. The bumper's got some minor damage. Headlights a little off on the driver's side. This is our main concern here. The wheel well where it meets the door jamb. The door was stuck on here. The door has damage. So I have a new door. I have a new fender. I'm starting to work some of this metal into a better position. My original plan was to cut out that section of metal, go to the junkyard, cut out another piece, weld it on. But the damage is a little more extensive than I thought. And there's multiple layers of spot welded sheet metal under there. And I'm not really going to know how intricate it is until I cut it out, which at this point, I'm trying to avoid doing that, if possible. So I'm going to pull on this later once I get the suspension fixed and see if I can get that pulled out. If I can get it pulled out and allow the door to shut and seal properly, then I'll be okay with it. I'll bang some more of this out, get everything into a better state. It's just something that we're going to be driving. It's not anything I'm going to try to resell. At least not now, and at least not for full price, because it won't be obviously worth that being a salvage. But she wanted it. It's a lot nicer than what she's driving now. So, yeah, that's what I've been working on. I'm trying to get back into making videos. It might be a minute, honestly. Show you guys some of this as I go through it. I'm probably about halfway done with it now. I have to switch out the doors and some things like that. You know, it's just been time, really. I found myself out here banging on it, and I thought, well, I might as well fire up the camera, get back into the knack of things, and start talking to you guys again. So, yeah, this is what I'm doing. This is what's going on. Once I get it fixed, the battery's dead right now. I've been starting it periodically, but When it does start, it starts fine. Seems to be okay. Lower control arm was broken. Sway bar, stabilizer bar link was broken. Couple other things. The wheel was wrapped around the rotor. That was all kinds of messed up. I have another wheel from a Saturn Outlook, which, if you don't know, is the same car. So I got most of the parts that I need to get it back together. Another CV axle. CV axle actually ripped in half. Thankfully, for me, did not break the transmission housing or cause any leaks. So we're good there. But yeah, I think my lower control arm comes Tuesday. Everything else I pulled from the junkyard. Just for now to get it back up and running, make sure it's functional. And then we'll get into really fixing some of this other damage. But yeah, so that's what's been going on. Expect some more things from the channel, hopefully soon. There will be more content and more things going on. But for now, I just figured I'd give you guys an update, let you know what I've been up to, and show you what I'm working on now. And side note, don't let your fiance bid on a car before you really look at it. Alright, thanks guys. Matt from Just Wrench It. I'll see you later.